Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Classic Editor plugin is active and updated. This saves compatibility hassles. Next, decide whether you'll use a Schema/SEO plugin or insert manual JSON LD. Both work, but plugins speed validation. Gather each FAQ's question and answer text plus a simple unique ID or slug so you can reference items cleanly. Once done, open the post in Classic Editor and position the cursor where you want the FAQ schema inserted. We'll add code or a plugin block next. Now you add the schema itself. If using a plugin, open its FAQ schema UI and paste each question and answer. The plugin will generate structured JSON LD for you. If doing it manually, switch to text view in Classic Editor and insert a script type equals application/LD plus JSON tag with an object. At context at type. FAQ page and main entity as an array of questions/answer objects. Make sure strings are escaped and ID are consistent. Save the draft and preview to ensure the markup remains in the page source. Finally, validate and publish. Run Google's rich results test or a schema validator against the page URL or the raw code snippet you want to see FAQ recognized. If validation reports errors, inspect for missing commas, mismatched braces, or smart quotes. Those are the usual culprits. Make corrections, revalidate, then publish. If issues persist, switch to a reputable plugin-generated FAQ schema to avoid manual syntax errors. That's a reliable troubleshooting tip to get live results quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.